We discuss the roles and responsibility of the managers in terms of health and safety. Middle managers are involved in the day-to-day operational running of the organization, so are responsible for the health and safety standard like ILO code of practices and their standard, HSC code of practices and their standard within the operation under their control. Because one manager will be in charge of various departments, so he will be handling various section or the sub department. The day-to-day operational being managed by the managers in any organization. Managers are the essential communication link between the top management and the workforce. The managers ensure that agreed health and safety standards are communicated to the workers through their supervisors, and absence of those standards is monitored effectively in all respective departments. Departmental managers or role of managers, if they are the in charge of any department, then they will be known as the departmental managers. Sometimes they are the in charge of the production lines, then it will be known, their designation will be known as the line managers. Sometimes they are the in charge the complete functional or the operation, then the manager will be known as the functional manager or the operational manager or operation manager. Sometimes they are the in charge of any store or warehouse, then it will be known as the store manager or the warehouse manager. So designation may change as per the type of the industry and where they are going to work, but the role and responsibility will remain same. Yeah. So departmental managers or managers are responsible and accountable for the health and safety performance of their department. The departmental managers are responsible for the engagement and management of the contractor. If some work they do the outsourcing or insourcing and that they are properly supervised. Departmental managers must ensure that any machinery, equipment or vehicle used in their department are properly maintained. All the machines are properly guarded, either the fixed guard or interlock guards, and meet agreed health and safety standards. The managers will ensure the copy of the record like recording system, documentation, ISO related documentation, customer related documentation, insurance company related documentation of and maintenance related documentation, statutory related documentation, insurance company related inspection reports will be maintained by the departmental managers. Now we can have a idea about the role of the supervisors. It may be known as the site supervisor if they are working on a site, or the shift supervisor if they are coming into the day shift, night shift, like that. So they are supervisors in their department. They understand the risk. What are the occupational health and safety risks in their workplace? And what are the control measures are available to control them? For example, dust is available. So they ensure that all the workers are having the adequate PPE and the dust extraction system are working in their department. They ensure that all the risk control measures are up to date and are being properly used, maintained, and monitored. The supervisors ensure that workers are encouraged to raise any concern over any shortcoming in health and safety provision, any type of a hazard they identify, the they will encourage to the workers, so it should be report to their immediate supervisor. If any accident occur in the department, supervisor will ensure that it is reported to them so they can take action to prevent the accident in the future. Supervisors should ensure that arrangements are in place to supervise the work of contractor. If any work is done by the contractor's worker, they are coming at the site and doing like maintenance or any work at height activity, so they will ensure their work is being supervision in terms of agreed contract. Supervisors are responsible to and report to their departmental managers, and they will inform them what are the support required from the management side. Supervisors are responsible and accountable for their team health and safety performance. The supervisor will enforce all the safe system of work, procedure, PTW, SOP that have been issued by the departmental managers. Supervisor also involved in day-to-day operational running of the organization, and they are also responsible for implementation of the health and safety standard within the operation under their control, because they are very close to the workers, and that is the first line of information or the support to the workers is provided through the supervisors. The day-to-day operational being managed by the supervisors. These are the some common responsibilities with managers also will be having the only the reporting part and the accountability part, but the actual execution and operating part is done by the supervisors at the workplace. Supervisor are the essential communication link between the middle management and the workforce. They ensure that agreed health and safety standards are communicated to the workers during the time of induction training or toolbox training or any job specific training, and adherence to those standards is monitored effectively in all respective departments. We can have a look or some practice question. What are the duties of line managers in implementing of health and safety management system? So with the help of this information, we can write the answer. We can see another practice question. What are the health and safety roles and responsibility of supervisors in any organization? So we can write the role and responsibility as we discussed in terms of health and safety. Thank you.